Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the sensor and your finger. Clean the surface with 70% isopropyl and dry it. Make sure no lint or water remains. Remove rings, cuts, or heavy lotion from the target finger so ridges register clearly. Open the device's enrollment or security settings and choose Add Fingerprint. You will be prompted immediately. Place the finger as instructed, not too hard and not too light, to capture initial ridge detail for the first scan. Once done with initial placement, you must capture detailed data by repeating scans. Apply steady, consistent pressure and lift cleanly. Do not slide, because smearing reduces accuracy. Rotate the finger slightly between touches to include side ridges and the base, aiming for 4 to 6 unique impressions. Follow on-screen guidance and adjust angle when a region is flagged as missing. This fills gaps in the template and improves matching speed. Now finalize the enrollment and verify it works. Save the template, then immediately test unlocking or authentication 3 times to confirm consistency. Enroll a backup finger or set a PIN so you have a fallback if the primary finger becomes wet or injured. If the device fails frequently, clean the sensor and your finger, then re-enroll the problematic impression. Persistent failures suggest hardware or firmware issues that may require a restart or update before contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.